The thrill of DIY can be tempting, but the risks of garage door repair are serious. Garage doors are intricate systems with heavy components that can cause severe injuries if mishandled. Even small issues might hide complex problems. Understanding them can keep you safe and sound. Common garage door problems include broken springs, frayed cables, and misaligned tracks, each posing unique dangers. Did you know that attempting to replace torsion springs without proper tools can be life-threatening? Snapped cables and off-track doors can lead to sudden crashes, making professional repairs crucial for safety. Many homeowners underestimate DIY risks, often thinking a quick fix will suffice, only to be mistaken. Professional technicians employ calibrated tools and safety protocols, ensuring efficient and safe garage door repairs. Recognizing trouble signs, like loud snaps or a heavy door, is essential to avoiding greater hazards. Protect your home and health. Always trust garage door repairs to expert hands for safe service.